Tic-tac-toe, 3 words in a row. Bicycle, tricycle, popsicle. One has 2 wheels, one has 3. The last one's good and yummy, have fun with me. Tic-tac-toe, 3 words in a row. Opportunity, community, and unity. One is a chance, one is a group of people. The last means to come together, we are all equal. Tic-tac-toe, 3 words in a row. Smart, clever, and bright. One is good at studying, you like to read and write. One is musky, you're quick to understand. The last one means you're cheerful like a round trip to Japan. Bye!